Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the privacy settings in the Remini application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app, obviously. Then after you are in the home page, you will see the settings option at the top of your right corner. Press on that. And once you have done that, you have to scroll down almost all the way down and you will see here the privacy settings option. Click on that and you can see here that you don't have a lot of options that you can activate or deactivate. You only have one, which is giving access to your photos, videos and recordings for this application to function better basically. So yeah, it's a pretty default setting that you can turn off if you want, but that wouldn't be the best thing to do in my opinion. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.